This is Miss Grand International 2025. I am Nel2204. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good day pageant lovers! Handa na ba kayo sa Miss Grand International 2025, the preliminary competition? Dahil pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang kabuoang performance ni Miss Grand Philippines, Emma Mary Tiglao. Mula sa kanyang swimsuit performance hanggang sa elegant evening gown segment, ipinakita ni Emma ang tunay na ganda ng grace at confidence ng isang Filipina queen. Sa swimsuit competition ng Miss Grand International, all eyes were on Emma Tiglao nang siya ay rumampa sa entablado, exuding power, fierceness at confidence walk na may halong classy attitude. Ang kanyang toned body, vibrant smile at perfect stage presence ay nagpa-standout sa kanya laban sa iba pang mga kandidata. Marami ang pumuri sa kanyang signature turns at captivating stare na talaga namang reminiscent ng her previous pageant experience as a former binibining Pilipinas queen. Pagdating naman sa evening gown performance, nakuha nga ni Emma Tiglao ang Best in Evening Gown in Miss Grand Philippines Finals Night. The gown showcased elegance and sophistication. Kaya naman, habang bumababa siya sa runway ay ramdam mo ang kanyang confidence at puso bilang isang proud Filipina representative. Emma Tiglao's performance in both swimsuit and evening gown rounds proved one thing: she is more than ready for the Miss Grand International 2025 preliminary competition. She embodied the perfect balance of beauty, confidence and advocacy, making her one of the most talked about candidates in the season. Kung gaano ang ipinakita niya sa preliminary, siguradong malakas ang laban ni Philippines sa Grand Finals Night. Kaya mga ka-Grand, ano ang masasabi nyo sa performance ni Emma Tiglao? Pasok ba siya sa inyong top picks for Miss Grand International 2025? I-comment na yan sa baba. At syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pageant updates and grand experience.